Let's have a go at this exam style question. The question says, Figure 1 shows a stoma. Explain how cell A can control water loss in a plant. And there's also a diagram showing a stoma and a cell that forms one side of the stoma labelled A. And the command word in this question is the word explain. It's asking us to explain how cell A can control water loss in the plant. So we're having to say how that happens. And the first step in this question is to identify cell A up here. And you should know that that is actually a guard cell. And a stoma is made up from two guard cells, which are actually just a type of specialised cell found on the outer surface of the leaves. And this guard cell, alongside the other guard cell, makes up the stoma, so the little tiny holes in leaves. And guard cells play a really important part in controlling the rate of transpiration and water loss. And if the plant is short of water, the guard cells become flaccid, or that's a scientific word for sort of being limp or loose, and that causes the stoma to close. Whereas on the other hand, if the plant has lots of water, the guard cells become full of water or turgid, and that makes those stomata open. So let's have a go at putting an answer together. So we can write the guard cell can vary the size of the stoma. So that's the opening. We're using correct terminology here. I'm going to put when turgid. Again, that's that proper term, turgid or full or fully swollen. The stoma is open, allowing water to pass through. When flaccid, so that's when like limp, I put limp, I should put flaccid. When flaccid, that's two C's. When flaccid, the stoma closes, preventing water loss. Okay, so that's 2 marks. 1 mark for saying when they're turgid, the stoma is open, and the other mark for saying when it's flaccid, the stoma is closed, which prevents water loss.